changing a percentage to a fraction. Pause the video and have a go at example 8. In example 8, we have to write the following percentages as fractions. So, first one, 70%. Percent means out of 100, so 70% means 70 out of 100. And we can cancel down, we can divide through by 10 to get 7/10. Part B, 0.5%. 0.5%, that means half over 100. I prefer to have the decimal. 0.5% is the same as 0.5%. So that would be 0.5 out of 100. And what you can do there, you don't want to leave your answer like that because you've got a decimal within your answer. So we could double the top, but to make an equivalent fraction, we have to double the bottom. So double 0.5, we get 1. Double 100, and we get 200. Part C. This time I wouldn't want to change the fraction into a decimal because 2/3 is not nice, like a half was nice as a decimal. So we'll change our approach here. To write this as a fraction, what we need to do is write this first of all as a improper fraction, the bit here. So 16 and 2/3, what is that as an improper fraction? Well, 16 times 3 is 48, plus the 2 is 50. So we could write that question as 50/3%. So that's 50/3 out of 100. Now, if we write over 100, that's the same as dividing by 100. Okay, just say that over here. If we had something like 7%, that is 7 over 100. That is the same as 7 divided by 100. They would give you the same number. If you put it in the calculator, they both give you 0.07. So that's what we're going to do with this one. We're going to write 50/3. Instead of writing over 100, we're going to write down divided by 100. Or dividing by 100 wholes, 100 over 1. So we're dividing by 100, and 100 can be written as 100 over 1. When we're dividing fractions, we keep the first fraction. We flip the second fraction, and we change the sign to multiply. So if we're dividing by 100, that's actually the same as multiplying by 100th. And then to do that, we can cancel out any common factors first. We can divide the numerator by 50, divide the denominator by 50, and we're left with, on the numerator, we'd have 1 times 1, which is 1, and on the denominator, 3 times 2, which is 6. Example D. You could go for both methods, like B or like C. I'm going to go for method C, where we write this as an improper fraction to begin with. So how many quarters is 18 3/4? Well, 18 times 4 is 72, and then 72 plus 3 is 75. So 18 3/4 is 75 quarters. Now to get rid of the percent, we write it over 100, or we divide by 100. Dividing by 100 is the same as dividing by 100 wholes, or dividing by 100 over 1. To divide fractions, we keep the first, we flip the second, and we change the sign. We can divide through by any common factors. This time we can divide through by 25 to give 3 and 4. On the numerator, we have 3 times 1, which is 3, and on the denominator, we've got 4 times 4, which is 16. So 18 3/4% is 3/16. So in summary, for those harder ones there, what you do is you change the percentage to a top-heavy fraction, then you divide by 100. And to divide by 100, we write it as 100 over 1, and then flip to 1 over 100, and then multiply.